Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually link your Spotify account to your Discord account. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application, sign into your Discord account and head down to the top button of your screen where your user settings appear. Now inside your user settings there's a load of options, but we're going to the connections right here. Now inside the connections you simply add accounts to your profile, as you can see right here, and you view more. Now inside the view more option you already see the Spotify option right here. Now it will open up a new tablet, as you can see right here, a browser, and here you can safely sign into your Spotify account and it will automatically be linked to your Discord account. Now as you can see, mine is already linked, and here you can display your songs from Spotify on your profile and display the Spotify as your status. Now it's very easy, and if you want to turn this off, simply drag these little two off and that's it. Now if you still get any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a comment down below, leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.